This YouTube video about cave exploration is making this channel grow like wildfire, using only AI. What's even crazier is that this YouTube video was created less than 2 months ago. Ooh.
And that video gained 1 million views within a month.
Hey, YouTube family. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to create a video like this using AI. We're about to embark on an extraordinary adventure. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of faceless YouTube videos, and I've got a groundbreaking secret to share with you.
Now you might be wondering, why go faceless? Well, it adds a touch of mystery, allows you to maintain your privacy, and it's just downright cool. Today I'm going to show you how to create jaw-dropping faceless videos using the power of AI. You ready? Let's do this. First things first. Okay, we need the magic wand, and it goes by the name of Video AI. This is a game changer, folks. Check the link in the description, and let's get ready to sprinkle some AI fairy dust on your content. Alright, we've got InVideo fired up. Create a free account. This tool is like having your very own digital mask that seamlessly follows your movements. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. Click on Create AI Video. Paste your video title, tweak the settings to your liking, and let the magic unfold.